Hi friends, today I am going to show you a very traditional dish which is called Sarvapindi or Thapalachekkalu. Now we are going to ingredients. 1 cup rice flour, chana dal, soak it is 15 to 10 minutes. Butter 1 tablespoon, water, coriander leaves, chopped onions, green chilli, curry leaves, chilli powder, red chilli powder, salt, sesame seeds, ginger and garlic paste, first mix these all ingredients. These ingredients add some water, very little, don't add too much water, and mix it properly. Like this. This mixture should be like dough. See. Now take non-stick pan or anything. Put some oil in this, like this. And press it like this. And put some oil like this. Now after 10 minutes, this dish is perfect. Thank you friends. Bye bye.